You may spend hours gaming or doing work at your computer, rubbing your arms and hands along your mousepad, and sometimes you may even eat there. If you can write words on your mousepad, that's disgusting and you need to clean it. What's up everyone, Caddac here, and today we're going to go over how to clean your mousepad. Now this is going to be specifically for cloth mousepads. If you have a plastic or rubber mousepad, it's very easy to clean. Just grab a cloth, dampen it, put some mild dish soap on there, give it a good wipe, and a very simple process. But with the cloth mousepads, they do take a little bit more effort to clean, but it is very easy to do. I do it relatively often, and I'm going to show you how. Now, all you're really going to need for this is either some clothing detergent if you use liquid detergent. If you don't use liquid detergent, you can use dish soap or any other kind of mild cleaning soap. Honestly, you could probably even use shampoo, but I prefer using like detergent for the clothes. But again, you can use dish soap if you'd like. You'll also need a sponge and some towels. Without further ado, let's head over to the bathroom and I'm going to show you how to clean the mousepad. Alright, so we're going to start off by putting our mousepad in the tub. If your mousepad can fit in a kitchen sink, you can do it there. If you have like a tub or a basin or some kind of container that you want to wash this in, that works as well. I prefer doing it in the shower because I have the shower head, which becomes very helpful with cleaning off and getting everything wet, but also having a little bit of pressure, which is nice to have. So speaking of, we're going to go ahead and turn the shower on, and we want to get the water to be warm to almost hot, but not too hot. And what you want to do here is you want to pre-soak your mousepad. Alright, so now that we've got it pre-soaked, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take our detergent. So again, with detergent, you really don't need much, even with dish soap. A little bit goes a really long way. And what I actually like to do is put water in here and then pour that over top. So now that I've got the water in here, I'm going to go ahead and pour it over top, and then we're going to use our sponge and we're going to start to clean the mousepad. Now, what I like to make sure I do with a cloth mousepad is not only go up and down, but also across, so that you get all of the threads and all the fibers. Spread that soap around a little bit. You can see some of the water coming off. This is a little bit dirty, and we're going to deal with that in a second. Now, you don't need to put a lot of pressure or anything like that either. Just be nice and gentle. You can put a little bit more pressure if you have a really dirty spot. Give it a good wipe. Do some swirls here. Alright, now we can go ahead and rinse it off, and then we're going to pick it up and rinse it off so that we can get the back side. Before you do this, I suggest you get a towel, lay it on the floor, and then we're going to end up moving this from the tub onto the towel. All right, so once you've got your mouse pad down on a towel, using 2 towels makes this a lot easier. So you put 1 towel down, and you grab your second towel. You're gonna lay it down on top, and you're just gonna pat it down. Try to get all that surface water off. You don't want to use a heat dryer, you don't want to use a blow dryer, you don't want to throw this in the dryer at all. It can damage the rubber and some of the surface. And then I usually just give it a light rub with the towel, but as you can see, I'll left a little handprint on there. As you can see, this is significantly cleaner. And what I usually do is I just hang this over the bar for my shower curtain. Leave this for about 24 to 36 hours and should be good as new. And that's it. Very straightforward, very simple. It's easy to do, you know, do it every couple months or so. It is very rewarding having a nice clean mouse pad. It grosses me out personally when if I like rub my hand on my mouse pad, it'll like leave a line there. I personally really don't like it. And I spend so much time at my desk, I really try to keep as much of it clean as possible. And mouse pads are one that I feel can get very dirty very quickly, and a lot of people just don't know how to properly clean them. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you like, subscribed. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, feel free to leave those down below. All of these really do help out my videos and the channel. And I try to help you guys out as much as possible by answering all of those questions and comments. As always, I stream on Twitch from Friday until Tuesday. Come check me out and say hello. And if you have a question, you're more than welcome to ask me on the live stream, and I'll try to answer as quickly as I can. Thanks again for watching the end of the video. Stay safe out there, have a clean mouse pad, and I'll see you next Friday.